Hi friends, welcome to Kaliyona. Thank you for your interest to learn Kannada. In this video, we will learn different body parts in Kannada.
This is the detailed course structure and today we will focus on common words module. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please visit our website kaliyona.com. To support the learning, we do have interactive quizzes and discussions. Upon successful completion, you would also be receiving course completion certificate.
Head,
Tale, tale,
hair,
ಕೂದಲು, ಕೂದಲು,
eyes,
ಕಣ್ಣು, ಕಣ್ಣು,
nose,
ಮೂಗು, ಮೂಗು,
forehead,
ಹಣೆ, ಹಣೆ,
mouth,
ಬಾಯಿ, ಬಾಯಿ,
teeth,
ಹಲ್ಲು, ಹಲ್ಲು,
ear,
ಕಿವಿ, ಕಿವಿ,
tongue,
ನಾಲಿಗೆ, ನಾಲಿಗೆ,
neck,
ಕತ್ತು, ಕತ್ತು,
hand,
ಕೈ,
leg,
ಕಾಲು, ಕಾಲು,
stomach,
ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ,
heart,
ಹೃದಯ, ಹೃದಯ,
chest,
ಎದೆ, ಎದೆ,
back,
ಬೆನ್ನು, ಬೆನ್ನು,
finger,
ಬೆರಳು, ಬೆರಳು,
nails,
ಉಗುರು, ಉಗುರು,
blood,
ರಕ್ತ, ರಕ್ತ.
This was the sixth set of common words. In our next video, let us see the words related to common illness in Kannada. Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and do leave your comments below. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.